In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure working schedules in Odoo HR. To get started, open your Odoo website and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, go to the page where all available Odoo applications are displayed. This is the main area where you can access the different modules installed in your database. From there, scroll down until you reach the Human Resources section. In that section, click on Employees. This will open the Employee Management area, where many HR-related settings are organized. Inside the Employees app, click Configuration and then open Settings. In the Settings page, look for the Work Organization section. Here, you'll find the Company Working Hours option. This setting lets you choose the default working schedule your company wants to use. Select the working schedule that best matches your organization's standard hours. This is an important setting because it helps define how employee schedules are interpreted across HR processes. After that, return to the Odoo Applications page and scroll again to the Human Resources section. If Payroll is available in your database, open it. Inside the Payroll application, go to Configuration and then Working Schedules. This is the area Odoo uses to view existing schedules and create new ones. On the Working Schedules page, click New to create a schedule from scratch. In the Name field, enter a clear and descriptive name for the schedule. For example, you can use standard 40 hours/week. Giving the schedule a specific name makes it much easier to identify later, especially if your company uses more than one schedule. Next, in the company full-time field, enter the number of hours per week that should be considered full-time. A common example would be 40 hours. Then select the company that will use this schedule and choose the correct time zone. The time zone is especially important because it helps ensure that attendance, work entries, and payroll-related timings are aligned correctly. Now open the Working Hours tab. This is where you'll define the actual schedule. Set the day of week for each working period you want to include. Then, enter the work from and work to times for each one, using the 24-hour format. Be careful here, since accurate start and end times help avoid payroll or scheduling issues later. For each period, also choose the appropriate work entry type so Odoo can classify those hours correctly. Before saving, take a moment to review everything. The schedule name, company, time zone, working days, and working hours. Once that looks correct, your working schedule is configured in Odoo HR and can be selected for employees and used for payroll work entries. Thanks for watching.